Welcome back. Today, we'll explore essential cooking techniques to level up your skills. Let's dive into sautéing, searing, roasting, grilling, and poaching to create mouth-watering dishes. Get ready to cook. Sautéing, bringing out the flavors. Sautéing adds incredible flavor. Here's how to do it. 1. Choose the right pan and heat it properly. 2. Prep ingredients evenly. 3. Cook in a hot pan with oil or butter. 4. Stir over medium-high heat. 5. Add seasoning for flavor. 6. Garnish and serve. Searing, locking in the juices. Searing creates a crust and locks in juices. Here's how. 1. Preheat a heavy-bottomed pan. 2. Season ingredients generously. 3. Add oil and place ingredient in the pan. 4. Let it sizzle to develop a crust. 5. Flip and sear the other side. 6. Finish cooking and let it rest. Roasting, unlocking intense flavors. Roasting brings out natural flavors. Follow these steps. 1. Preheat the oven. 2. Prepare and season ingredients. 3. Place on a baking sheet or roasting pan. 4. Add oil, seasonings, and herbs. 5. Roast, turning occasionally. 6. Let it rest and serve. Grilling, embrace the charred goodness. Grilling adds smoky goodness. Here's what to do. 1. Preheat the grill. 2. Season and marinate ingredients. 3. Oil the grill grates. 4. Cook over direct or indirect heat. 5. Flip and achieve grill marks. 6. Baste if desired. 7. Rest and serve. Poaching, tender and delicate delights. Poaching creates tender dishes. Follow these steps. 1. Select a pot with tall sides and flavorful liquid. 2. Simmer the liquid. 3. Season ingredients. 4. Place in simmering liquid and cook gently. 5. Avoid boiling. 6. Remove from liquid and serve. These techniques will elevate your cooking skills. Try them out and remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting recipes and tips. Happy cooking!